Understanding briquettes in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting word, briquettes. By the end of this video, you'll understand what briquettes are and how this word is used in different contexts. Briquettes are compressed blocks made from various materials, primarily used as fuel to start and maintain a fire. They can be made from charcoal, coal, wood chips, peat, or even biomass. Because they are compact, they burn longer and more steadily than loose materials. Making briquettes involves several steps. 1. Collection of material. This can be waste from agriculture, like straw or husks, or even sawdust from woodworking projects. 2. Drying. The material must be dried to reduce its moisture content. 3. Compression. The dry material is then compressed using a briquetting machine. This machine presses the material into uniform shapes. 4. Final drying. Once shaped, the briquettes are dried again to ensure they'll burn efficiently. Briquettes are versatile. Here are some common uses. 1. Cooking. Many people use briquettes in barbecue grills or in stoves, especially in places where other fuels are scarce or expensive. 2. Heating. They are also used in fireplaces or heating stoves in homes. 3. Industrial use. Some industries use briquettes as a source of energy for heating or for powering machinery. It's worth noting that while briquettes can be an efficient fuel source, their environmental impact varies. 1. Positive impacts. They can be made from waste materials, reducing the amount of waste in landfills. When made from biomass, they can be a renewable source of energy. 2. Concerns. If made from coal or non-renewable resources, they can contribute to carbon emissions. Also, the process to produce briquettes can sometimes consume a lot of water. Briquettes play a significant role in many societies, offering an effective way to turn waste into a valuable resource. We hope you've learned something new today, and the next time you see or use a briquette, you'll think of all the processes and uses behind it. Thanks for watching.